I'm really glad you're here. Before we begin, let's slow everything down. Just enough to arrive in this moment. Take a gentle breath in through your nose and release it slowly through your mouth. There's nothing you need to do right now, nothing you need to be fearless about. Just let yourself be here. This is a space to breathe, to relax, to remember who you are beneath the noise. Fear is not a failure. It isn't a sign that you're weak or doing something wrong. Fear is information. It arises to protect, to warn, to keep you alive and connected. The problem isn't fear itself. It's when fear becomes the only voice we listen to. Fear speaks through sensation, tightness, racing thoughts, a pull to avoid or control. And beneath those signals, fear is usually asking one simple thing. Is it safe? Instead of trying to silence fear, what if we listen to it? Not as a commander, but as a messenger. Fear doesn't need to be eliminated. It needs to be understood. Let's practice meeting fear this way with curiosity, not judgment. If it feels comfortable, allow your eyes to close or soften your gaze. Bring your attention into your body. Notice any place that feels tight or alert. There's no need to search. Wherever your awareness lands is enough. Now gently bring to mind a fear that's been present lately. Not the biggest one, just something real. Notice where it lives in your body. Is it heavy, sharp, restless? Let it be there. Now silently and kindly ask, what are you trying to protect? What can I learn from this? How can I grow? You don't need an answer in words. Images, sensations, or emotions may arise, or nothing may come at all. Both are okay. Fear often just wants to be acknowledged. Now gently remind yourself, my fear is trying to help me. I can listen without letting it lead. I can make an informed decision. Let your nervous system hear that. You are not broken for feeling fear. You are human. And you are capable of holding fear without being ruled by it. Take one slow breath in and release it fully. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Today's practice is simple. When fear shows up, pause. Instead of asking, how do I get rid of this? Ask, what is this trying to tell me? Because fear, when listened to with compassion, can become one of your greatest teachers. Your heart is ready. And whenever you need a reminder, I'll be right here.